Need more data on AirTalk? You have options. AirTalk Wireless provides simple ways to increase your data allowance through add-ons and auto refill. Add-ons are one-time data boosts you can purchase instantly via the AirTalk mobile app or website. These bundles, like 1 gigabytes for $5 or 10 gigabytes for $20, are applied immediately and don't recur. Auto refill automatically adds funds or data when your balance drops below a threshold you set, like $5 or 50% of your data. This is set up in the app and requires a linked payment method. While the service is free, there's sometimes a small processing fee, about 99 cents per refill. These options give you control over your data usage and spending. To get the most out of your AirTalk data, use these tips. First, use the data compression tools built into the AirTalk app to reduce data consumption. Second, enable Wi-Fi calling for unlimited voice and text over Wi-Fi. Third, adjust app settings to limit data usage, such as disabling autoplay on videos. Monitor your data usage via the app's real-time dashboard to track consumption. Switch to Wi-Fi hotspots whenever possible to conserve cellular data. By following these tips, you can significantly extend your data and keep your costs down.